Solve variational problem integral 1 to 2x square y dash square plus 2y x plus y dx equals 0 with the boundary conditions y of 1 equals 0 and y of 2 equals 0. From the functional given we have capital F equals x square y dash square plus 2xy plus 2y square. We have dou f by dou y obtained as fy equals 2x plus 4y. Partial derivative of f with respect to y dash is obtained as 2x square y dash. Substituting these values in Euler's equation, we obtain 2x plus 4y minus dy dx of 2x square y dash equals 0. Here now we will apply product rule and we get x square y double dash plus 2x y dash equals 0. On simplification, we get the equation x square y double dash plus 2x y dash minus 2y equals x. This is Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation. To solve such equations, we have to use the substitution x equals e raised to t, so that Cauchy's equation transforms to equation d square plus d minus 2 applied on y equals e raised to t. We have, when you give x equals e raised to t in Cauchy's form, x square y double dash is replaced by d into d minus 1 of y, x y dash is replaced by dy, and 2y becomes 2 into y itself. There are no changes for 2y. So you have the corresponding differential equation becoming d into d minus 1 plus 2d minus 2 applied on y equals x. Here when you give simplification, you have d square minus d plus 2d minus 2 becoming d square plus d minus 2 into y equals 0. Thus from Cauchy's form we have obtained differential equation with constant coefficients. Now we have the auxiliary equation to be solved, and the auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 2 equals 0. The roots of auxiliary equation are obtained as m equals negative 2 and m equals 1. Thus we have complementary function obtained as y equals c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to negative 2t, where c1 and c2 are constants. Particular integral is obtained by operating 1 by f of d on function e raised to t. Note that when you give x equals e raised to t, we are getting the RHS of the new differential equation with constant coefficients as e raised to t. We have f of d is d square plus d minus 2. Thus, we have particular integral obtained as 1 by d square plus d minus 2 applied on e raised to t. Here, coefficient of t is 1. Therefore, we will replace d by 1. We notice that f of d, when d equals 1 is evaluated, it becomes 0. Therefore, we have to evaluate f dash of d. Derivative of f of d is 2d plus 1. When you evaluate f dash of 1, that is giving d equals 1, you are getting a non-zero answer, 3. Thus, we have particular integral in this case is x into 1 by f dash of d into e raised to t, where d is replaced by 1, which is the coefficient of t in the expression e raised to t. We have f dash of t obtained as 3. Therefore, we have particular integral is t e raised to t upon 3. Complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral, which is c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to negative 2t plus t by 3 into e raised to t. Now we replace e raised to t by x. We have c1x plus c2 by x square plus x log x upon 3 obtained. Since x equals e raised to t, we have t equals log x. That's how we have obtained t e raised to t equals x log x. Also, x square equals e raised to 2t. Therefore, e raised to negative 2t is 1 by x square. That's how e raised to negative 2t became 1 by x square.